Legal troubles. Could some local attorneys get extradited to the United States as a lottery scam crackdown continues? This evening, why U.S. Embassy spokesman says more Jamaicans are under the microscope. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, senseless. A 7-year-old is shot in St. Andrew.
Crisis. Farmers bemoan spread of beet army worm in central Jamaica breadbasket.
Counting losses. Fire raises a craft market downtown, wiping out millions in merchandise.
In business news, up. NCB Financial Group reports sizable jump in profits.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
The government plans to merge the operations of the Children's Registry into the Child Development Agency. Which other public sector entities do you think should be merged or eliminated, and why?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet @TelevisionJam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.